Affiliate marketing using Pinterest, 15 minutes a day will make you 10K a month. Using this method, I made over 10K last month. Everything you need is a smartphone or computer with access to internet and 15 minutes a day. All we're gonna do is reposting pins, edit them a little in Canva, and add affiliate link from Warrior Plus to them, which is trusted affiliate marketplace, and I'm making money with it for months. Ain't gonna waste your time. Let's jump straight to Warrior Plus. Rate your account and go to Offers and Affiliate tab and search for best suiting you offer. As we can see, there is a lot of AI offers, so we'll get one of best performing. AI is really popular and in trend last time, so this product should go pretty well. This one looks pretty good, so let's ask for approval and wait until we get approved to promote this product. You should wait to get approved from 24 to 48 hours. Some vendors do not accept new accounts to promote their offers, so make sure to request approval to at least 3-4 different offers. Now let's hop into Pinterest and create new account. Make sure your username is catchy and you had set an avatar. Let's get back to Warrior Plus. As soon as we get approved, we need to copy affiliate link and create our pin to promote this offer. Now let's hop to Canva.com to create our pin. As we get to Canva, let's click on Create a Design and search for Pinterest pin. Now we're gonna hop to Pinterest and search for some money images to use in our pin. This one is pretty good, so let's download it and paste to our Canva project. Now we need to scale this image and add call to action text to make our viewers click on the link. Now download our pin and let's post it on Pinterest. Let's drag and drop our pin, add title, tags, and link to the pin. To create link, let's copy our Warrior Plus affiliate link and shorten it using bit.ly. Remember, professionalism goes beyond just presenting yourself well. It also involves respecting your audience's time and interests. By consistently delivering value and maintaining integrity, you can build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations. I hope this video has inspired you to embark on your affiliate marketing journey on Pinterest using Warrior Plus. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help. Wishing you all the best in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Stay professional, stay dedicated, and I'm confident you'll see success. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy pinning.